In this video, we want to find the sum of a plus b plus c. Given a times b is 40, b times c is 50, and c times a is 60. Let us call this equation 1, call this equation 2, and call this equation 3. Let us go ahead and multiply equation 1 by equation 2 by equation 3. This will give us AB times BC times CA is equal to 40 times 50 times 60. Notice that we have A here and A here. Since it is multiplication, this will give us A squared. The same thing applies to B. So we have A squared times B squared and also times C squared is equal to 40 times 50 times 60. We can split this into 4 times 10, this into 5 times 10, and then this into 6 times 10. So that if we bring this together, we have A times B times C raised to power 2 is equal to 4 times 5 times 6 times 10 times 10 times 10 will give us 1000. So we have A times B times C squared is equal to 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 6 is 120, times 1000 will give us 120,000. And now I'm going to take the square roots of both sides. So that when this takes care of this, we'll be left with A times B times C is equal to the square root of, let us break this into 12 times 10,000. So that when we separate this radical, we have A, B, C is equal to square root of 12 times square root of 10,000. This will give us ABC is equal to square root of 12 can still be broken down into 4 times 3. Then times, this will be 100. So we have A times B times C is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 3 times 100, which will then give us A times B times C is equal to 2 times square root of 3 times 100. This will give us A times B times C is equal to 2 times 100 here is 200. So we have 200 root 3. A, B, C is equal to 200 root 3. Now let us go back to each of those equations. We'll start with equation 1. From equation 1, we were given that AB is equal to 40. So AB is equal to 40. And now we got ABC is equal to 200 root 3. So from here, if we do ABC divided by AB, this will give us 200 root 3 divided by 40. So from the left hand side, A here takes care of A here, B here takes care of B here, and then we're left with C is equal to, on the right, this takes care of this. 4 here is 1. 4 in 20 will give us 5. That means C is equal to 5 root 3. Now let's do the same thing for equation 2. So we say from equation 2, we are given BC is equal to 50. So we have BC is equal to 50 and ABC is 200 root 3. So again, we'll do ABC divided by BC. This will be 200 equal to 200 root 3 divided by 50. So B takes care of B, C takes care of C. On the left we have A, so equal to, this takes care of this. 5 here is 1, 5 in 20 here is 4. This gives us 4 root 3. So A is equal to 4 root 3, C is equal to 5 root 3. Now let us do it one more time. Now we go to equation 3. From equation 3, we're given that CA is equal to 60. So CA is equal to 60 and ABC was 200 root 3. So again, we do ABC, this time divided by CA. This will give us 200 root 3 divided by 60. This takes care of this. 2 here is 3. 2 in 20 is 10. On the left, we have A cancel A here, C cancel C. This will give us B is equal to 10 root 3. Then divided by 3. So we have values for A, B, and C. Remember the question asks us to solve for the sum of A plus B plus C. And now that we have values for A, B, and C, the next thing we'll do will simply be add up each of these values. So A plus B plus C will now be, A is 4 root 3, B is 10 root 3 divided by 3, then plus C, which is 5 root 3. I'm going to put them on a straight line so that we can find the LCM. A plus B plus C is equal to 4 root 3 plus 10 root 3 over 3 plus 5 root 3. So this here will be over 1. This here also over 1. Then the LCM here is 3. 1 in 3 is 3. 3 times 4 root 3 will give us 12 root 3. 3 in 3 is 1. 1 times 10 will give us 10 root 3. 1 in 3 is 3. 3 times 5 will give us plus 15, then times root 3. This will be equal to, since we have root 3 common to each of this, we can do root 3 into bracket 12 plus 10 plus 15 divided by 3. This will give us root 3 into bracket 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 plus 15 will give us 37. Then divided by 3. We can also write this as 37 root 3 over 3. This would then imply that the sum of A plus B plus C is equal to 37 root 3 over 3, giving us the final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.